the boat.
Yeah, we are on the boat.
On this.
Yes, guys.
Captain Vice, alright?
Yeah, Captain. There goes Captain.
Alright, I'm gonna give you a nice glass bottom tour, show you the dolphin, show you the sightseeing,
Yes.
take you to the coral reef so you can see below. If you want to go swim with me, I'm not wrong enough.
Can't dive, wow. Yeah, I know, I know. Oh, that's baby, guys. And guys, look at that.
We have heavy? The wave heavy?
Not really. Only when you go out. These are local beaches, how everybody come and they are watching and they got the map of the beach. So you want to go there. You know, if you go out going around.
Wow. Yeah, man. Look at this nice, beautiful hotel and stuff. Look at this thing in the middle right here. I don't know what it is, but it's something that's in the water. I think help the people. I think they can go on it and stuff like that. And these are the big, beautiful hotel out here. Look at it. It's just so nice. And the water is so clear. Yeah, man. And look at those palm trees over there. See? Yeah, we are heading out. See what I'm talking about? The kids are playing in this one right here. So, you know, that one is all about that too. Yeah, as you can see over here, the villas where people come out, they can eat, they can sit out here. They have like restaurants and stuff where you can eat. Oh, look at this boat. Woo! Yeah, that's nice. Wow, it's dragging the other one. That's very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. And look over here. You have the nice, beautiful scenery. Wow. Last bottom. Oh, that's nice. The Jamaican color. That's beautiful. Wow. And this right here, this is another boat. Yes, another boat. I think it's gonna turn around.
Alright, if you look to your right over here, that's Moon Palace.
Yeah, that's Moon Palace.
Jamaica Grand.
Yeah, used to call Jamaican Grand. Moon Palace, the new name.
Palace have some dolphins over here.
Oh, Moon Palace. Oh, there goes the dolphin. Wow. Easter. Yeah, Easter. Forgot.
These dolphins, if you have nothing to feed them, they won't entertain you, alright?
What do you have room in to feed?
So they don't have enough feed. But like what?
Tree.
Yeah. So what are the things you can do?
Moonwalk, all kind of stuff them do.
Like how much?
What do
I've got to feed.
To be honest, we're not necessarily should feed them. Keep and throw or something them to get that thing. We're not supposed to feed them.
Okay.
Because if we feed them, when the trainer them try to eat with them, they're not going to see. They want to let the trainer feed them.
So how much will that?
How much? Alright. If you want to swim with them over here, you have to go to the Moon Palace. I'm not sure the price. Yeah. Dolphin for $100 US.
Oh, wow. So how them get up? Oh, wow.
You know that. You know dolphin jump up to 16 feet.
Yeah, but them can beat shark.
Yeah,
Shark can.
very high.
Shark can't do them nothing.
And they can't beat up a shark.
Yeah.
Of course, shark is further. They call the dolphin a sea bully. afraid of them. Yeah. There's a one leak from the tail or the fire will help you kill it. Oh! Over here, so it's easy for them to jump over if they want to, they can leave.
Oh, wow.
If they leave, they have to go hunt. Right here, they don't have to hunt. They get like 30 pounds of fish just to go feed the chicks.
Eh? Wow.
So if they go out now, they have to go hunt and they're not going to get as much. And you know, dolphins don't drink the seawater, they drink fresh water. So like what they have them over here, so
Yeah.
you have to give them fresh water every day. Now the wild now, they're not getting from octopus or squid.
So how much dolphin over there? How many dolphins? No, a lot?
No, 6 dolphins over here. 5 female and 1 male. So they don't mix the male with male. You know, 2 bulls can roll in a pen. So the 5 female with the male, and maybe one next 5 with 1 male. Look at the water out here, guys. Wow. The boat does not swim on the water now. Yeah, man, see the hotel them back here. Wow. And we are going with we out, you know, guys. Look at the water. We love the sea, the ocean. It's very nice. And it's not rough. It's calm. But yeah, man, we love the smell of the beach. The smell of the ocean. Nice. Yeah.
What's that?
Cartoon in blue.
Get lost.
You never watch it?
So this is the tropical reef. So the bigger fish come in at the kids, they don't stay right here. Very shallow, so the bigger fish know the danger when they hear the boat come in, them gone. The small one don't know the danger as yet, so even when you pass it by, they still gonna.
It's still
When
gonna
you're going across, you can see them. This is like 15 feet, the baby seems close, but it's actually far.
Wow, I see.
Glass is magnified 3 inches thick.
Wow.
Then put things closer.
Magnifying 3 inches thick. So it seems closer.
Look very close, right?
Yeah.
No close at all.
I am the boat.
Alright, so right now we're not behind the coral reef, the barrier reef anymore. So that's why you start to see the waves now. And you know the barrier reef break the big waves, so get the small one. And now we pass the reef right here, that's the coral reef. That's the barrier reef. Now I'm passing it, says don't get straight now enough. Yeah, man.
What was that?
that is up to the pros, them we can swim very well.